Hi, my name's Diane and today we're going to make another card for cats. I love cat cards and I have been asked to do a whole lot of cat cards to take them down to the art centre, which is really cool. So what I thought for this card, I've got these really cool Your One Cool Cat, which is really cool, and then I've got a cat which is there, and I've also got the bedding for it as well. So I just thought I might try and show you how I make this card. So I've got this, which is a piece of blue paper, and all I've got to do is I've got to work out how I was going to do it. So I think that needs to go on the bottom. So what I'll do is we'll just put that to the side for now, and I will put the One Cool Cat thing on the bottom, which is there. So I'll just put that on the bottom to start. And whoops, run the wrong way won't help. So there. Okay, so that goes on the bottom. I think it's going to go like that, but what I think we need something. What about this? That would be really cool if I put that there and put that underneath, which is what I'm going to do. So what I'll do, I'll put that there, so I love making different cards all the time. I do like doing the same as well, but I think quite often it's a challenge to make different things. So I this week have decided I've got to do a whole lot of different ones, so I'm up for the challenge. So okay, so I think that will go there. Okay, so what I'll do is I think we will, okay, so I've got a cutter that cuts different sizes. So all I'll do is yeah. Awesome. And then there. We'll see. I think ever so slightly, if I can do it, and cut ever so slightly more off it, but ever so slightly. Awesome. That will be better. So let's see. Awesome. Cool. So I think what I'll do, I will double-sided sellotape this, So I've been thinking I should really tell everybody about what I've been doing with my finger. I have been to the doctor a few times over the past few weeks and I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. And then all of a sudden, looking back, I had trigger finger about 20 years ago, and that was operated on about 20 years ago. And all of a sudden they realised that this finger has gone into the same state. So yay, I've found out I've got trigger finger on that hand as well, which is just wonderful, just what I need, but that's all right. It is what it is. So I got the surgery thing the other day saying it's a 4-month waiting list, so I've just got to wait until I'm seen by someone, so and that will be 4 months away, so so I'll just have to cope with the pain until then. Just what I need, but that's all right. Okay, so I think that's really cool. Okay, what it needs, I think it will go about there. So I think this will need to be glued down first. So double-sided sellotape sometimes work for me and sometimes it doesn't work at all. And that's obviously one of the days where it's not going to work. Trying to do it with one hand is a bit annoying, but that's all right. Okay. Just peel those off, and I'll just have to do the other two. Another one. Awesome. Right, now I know that it needs to be right in the middle, so I'll just, okay, so that's there. Okay, so what we do, we've got a few different options with gluing them on. We can use really thin double-sided sellotape, but I decided what I think may work better is clear glue, which is my staple for gluing on different things. So all I'll do is I will push it and hopefully awesome, cute. Awesome. So So what I think I need to do before it dries is just be careful. Yep, that's cool. So what I need is, I think what I need is double-sided sellotape. So I've got double-sided sellotape here. So all I'll do, just to check again, it's there and there, but not there. Okay. So I think it's there, but not at the base. So cool. So what I'll do, I'll just keep an eye on that, because I think it may start lifting off, which is fine. If it lifts off, I'll just need to get a different piece of double-sided sellotape. So but that is really cool. I like it. I think it looks fantastic. So all I'll do now is I will do the inside, which is just what I need. So I'll just that. So all I'll do is I'll put that there. Put it in and pray that I've held it in the right place, which I think I have. Awesome. So that is there. That is there. And all I've got to do is I've got to peel off this thing, which I don't know whether I can, because I'm without one hand, without one hand and one finger. So I'll have to ask my carer to do it, which is a pain, because I was thinking, oh God, how am I going to open that? So all I'll do is, oh come on, okay, so that is cool, except it's round the wrong way, which is not very healthy. So I think I may need to leave the thing open, because I think I may need to change that. I don't think it's sticking down well enough, but I love it. It's really cool, and you're a cool cat, which is perfect. So if you want to subscribe to the channel and see what's coming up next, that'd be awesome. Thank you.